Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Poco F3 aka Xiaomi 11 Next and Redmi K40 mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws and disconnecting the flash connector plug. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, disconnect the main connector plug from the board. Next, take out the not working battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull them by the side tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place a new battery in the body and then secure the adhesive. Next, secure the main connector plug. Next, secure the sensor connector and the battery connector, and then place the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.